go this side.
Huh?
Go on this side.
Okay.
You're gonna see a lot.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
She have a key. Ah!
Coach, give him one. Where are you going to take it?
Yeah. I want one.
You want water?
Yeah.
Man, he just come like, we're not going to go.
Every time we pack the cigarette there so we can.
How are you? Just take up one of them the full.
Every time we full back that, I one left.
So just take up your full one and carry full one and nobody open
Yeah,
it then.
just carry the full one.
And nobody open it.
What about this?
Two more person here. Two more
All the
person.
food one?
We have one more box.
Sir.
Benji.
Sir.
All the food one?
Oh, one box for you. Alright. On the side, yeah. Yeah, come over on this one.
You guys want water utensils? Thank you. Utensils. Here's your spoon. You only have
You're welcome, man. Have a good Thanksgiving.
to give them a phone. I'll just get it done yourself. You promise them?
Oh, you are MTV? Are you MTV? I just saw it.
No, not MTV. No. You saw what? Oh, the shirt?
Yeah.
No. I think she just bought her shirt.
I thought you are MTV.
Oh, no. I'm just a regular guy with a regular YouTube channel.
You have a YouTube channel.
I have a YouTube channel.
What kind of content do you create?
Fitness.
Oh, I'd love to get to the gym, man. I have the height, but I don't have the
Yeah.
muscles.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. What muscles you got?
Muscles.
You got no back muscles?
Oh, I don't.
You ain't got no back muscles? You live here in Seattle?
I live in Auburn.
Auburn? I'm in Kent.
Yeah.
You can join my fitness classes.
Where?
It's in Kent. Big Woo Fitness. Big Woo.
Big Woo. Where is the location at?
You got your phone?
Yeah.
Look it up.
On Instagram or where?
Go on Google.
Here, sir.
Thank you guys so much.
Go on Google. Google.
Yeah, this is Google.
Big Woo. BIGWU. That's
Oh.
it.
Big Woo?
Yeah. I have classes Tuesday at 6:30 to 7:30 and Thursday at 6:30 to 7:30.
In the night, in the evening.
Evenings, yeah.
Oh, I'll check it out. You do weekends?
Huh?
Weekends?
Classes? No. They have weekend classes, but it's in the morning and it's what is it called again? Kickboxing.
Oh.
I think they do kickboxing at 8:30 on a Saturday morning. I only train clients in the day on a weekend. I don't do classes.
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, it ain't gone. Ross, you done?
Yeah. No, no more food. Let's go. He said the best Thanksgiving the food better than him wife.
Best Thanksgiving food better than his wife.
This all for you. I need to take this away.
It's not for you.
He's like, go get your
Don't hit
own.
me again.
He's like, go get your own. Huh?
Come on, take him food for a pack of cigarettes. Him a buy the food for a pack of cigarettes.
You say you want to give him, you want to take the food for a pack of cigarette?
I'm gonna give him cigarette. I'm hungry. Oh God. Them say my mama feels so bad.
Hustler.
I need
I'm hungry as
Hustler.
yeah.
let's say the secret, man. Sorry.
We should have more food. Look, the people still are come. Come, Sean.
The food done?
Because me not like them something. Yeah.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
All right.
What you doing this for? You guys just doing it yourselves?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, that's some good stuff.
That's what's up. Yep. One love. One love.
See, we have to do 150 next time. We have to do 150. How much for the Sean? Like 6.
Take this. Hey. I'm good. No, hey, you want to be